Hi, camera. Hi, camera.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a cool video that I've got planned for you guys. We're actually gonna go and look for Christmas decorations. I'm so excited. We picked a theme. We try to switch themes like every year, and this year we picked such a cool theme, and I am so excited to go and get all these things. Also, I'm excited. We're gonna go get Trin and Trey, and so you already know this video is about to be funny as hell, so stay tuned. We're looking for fabric to make some banners.
Hi, camera.
Hi. I need to look for some felt. I feel like it's gonna be over here. Got the fabric.
Bro. Girl.
Oh.
Little black baby.
Oh my god.
Low waist, nigga tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, tap in.
Don't never stop if you wanna be on top.
Hi, camera.
That's so weird.
He said hi, Kara.
Look at Trey.
Photo shoot. Pause, 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 pause. Photo shoot.
It look crazy with the 0.5.
Trey hit me in the head with the move. Get him in trouble. No, $20 for you.
What are these?
These are for the Christmas tree. These are for the tree outside, and these are for the house.
The wrap around the
Yeah.
base of the tree?
Oh, these are for the base of the tree, and these are for the house, like the.
They blue?
Like the-
Oh, okay. It
No,
only
the
showed me. I only
multicolor.
saw the blue. I was like, what?
Oh, multicolor.
What is next, model?
I'm just gonna look around and see what I like.
Okay, I gotta find a shirt.
Look, I like those. I haven't. The crazy part is I haven't gotten any here.
I would say ow, but I said ow, said ow.
Watch your back. Oh, you getting some of
Actually,
this?
can you put these down there? The lights.
I see some beautiful stars. Look in my eyes. Think fast, right?
He can't do
I
that.
didn't even do it. Exactly. I was ready. Yeah. Think fast.
Yeah, tap in.
This guy is like baseball, bro.
You really could have played.
My stance my arm. Give me okay.
She call me Mr. Bombastic, friendly fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
Hey. These are tough. I like these colors. But it's too. Oh.
$30 for 100.
Can't get a sad mix it. That's what string fingers look like.
You can lay your
Look at that pink one.
head.
Oh my.
Gunther. Gunther. Quack. 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 It's Gunther. Gunther, it's me, the Ice King. Gunther. Quack. I think Ice King, wow. Nuh-uh. These are nice.
I know, I want
I like that tree.
this one, right?
And
15.
damn, well, you finna break the bank.
I don't know if I want this one.
Man, not 15. We can make, that's really just felt
You can make that.
easily. If you want me to, I can, if we get the greens, I can really make that. Let me see. I have to wait inwards. Take it. I can make this.
You already got those.
It's almost ripped.
Oh, you got Christmas lights. How much y'all need?
I can really make this one though. Right.
Okay guys, so it's the next day. I don't think I filmed enough footage yesterday, so sorry about that. Hopefully I can put it all together, you know, properly. But anyways, today we are putting up the Christmas lights, and last year we did the white, not white, but like the clear lights. This year we're doing multicolored, so I got a roll of that and we're gonna put that up right now.
Bruh.
Couldn't find the hammer. Oh my god, what is this hair? Anyways, hi guys, I actually stayed home today because I didn't feel that good. We're just gonna say that I have a little cold and hope for the best. But since I'm here, I can go ahead and do some of the DIY projects that I have to do for the decorations. I need to paint. We bought some little like wooden houses from Target at the $5 section. That's a really bad angle. At the $5 section, and I'm gonna paint them like the colors of the theme. I'm gonna go ahead and insert pictures of what we're going for. I think we pretty much found a lot of things that were pretty spot on, but like I said, some things will need to be DIY, so we're gonna, well, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. If I don't film this much, it's because I'm trying to like juggle a couple things at once, but you know, we'll get through this. Okay, so I finished painting the little houses. Oh, what the heck? I finished painting the little houses, so now I've got another project. I'm gonna try to do this, and so for that I'm gonna need to cut these pool noodles in half. I'm gonna need to cut these pool noodles in half and then roll them up, put some duct tape on them so they can have like the little candy cane spiral thing going on. And then, yeah, that should be, it sounds easy, but we'll see.
Christmas used to be the happiest time of the year. A time for loving and giving. But it's obvious that you all have forgotten about that.
Okay, got the pool noodles all cut up. Sweet. And see, I've already started curling that one, and I think that's what I need to do is kind of like curl them and train them to stay the shape, because otherwise I think they're gonna have too much tension and the glue is just gonna, you know, one done and they'll just separate, and we don't want that at all. I think now I'm gonna wrap them with the duct tape, so be right back. Alright guys, so this is how they came out. They are pretty cute, and the last thing I need to do is get some PVC pipe since it's white, and then I can wrap them with a clear cellophane and tie a bow around them so they can look like lollipops. So yeah, this is the pink one, the blue one, the green one. We ran out of white duct tape. I had to wrap the end with this, I guess it's electrical tape. I really don't know what it's for, but I think it'll work because, you know, candies have like wrappers on them. I don't know. So I think it should be fine, but if not, the bow will cover it. I've got them right here on this little setup right now since I don't have the pipe, or, you know, I can't put them together. Also, I might have to go back to Target. That's where I got the pool noodles, and I'm gonna have to get each color again because I thought that I was gonna have enough with one of the half of the pool noodle to make one lollipop, but actually they turned out pretty small if you only do one, so you have to wrap both of them together, if that makes sense. Otherwise it'll be a tiny lollipop, and it's gonna go outside, so they need to be pretty big. But it could work if you only wanted like this setup. You could just do the one and it would be kind of like a cute like hard candy or something. So yeah, this is the setup right now. It looks pretty cute. Honestly, if I don't feel like going back to Target and getting the pool noodles again and doing this whole thing again, I'll probably just leave that as it is. But yeah, there's the lollipops.